Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So this is for the month of October. So the theme for this for this month is alter ego. So let me pull out the first thing that I see, which is this. This is the Dermovia. Lace a Pill Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Ooh, I love a good mask. So this is about $30. So it's supposed to be a charcoal peel off mask. And not wait to try that. The next thing I see here is, oh, well, two things. So the first thing I see here is by Kat Von D. It's $20 for this liquid lipstick. I got the shade Mother. Let me open this up. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful everyday pinky shade. I was really hoping I would have gotten one of the more deeper shades, only because I haven't really got a chance to try deeper shades. I think I actually got a sample of this in one of my play boxes when I used to have the Sephora Play. And I got this shade. So I'm a little bit disappointed. This is the second time that I get a bright pink shade in the box when there's like all kinds of dark colors that I would really love to have for like fall and winter. But you know, oh well. It's still a beautiful pink shade. I will definitely be wearing this to work every day. And the second thing that I had pulled out is It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And this goes for $24. Oops, I broke it. Eee. Oh wow. This is it. This is what it looks like. I also got a sample of this in my Sephora Play box like a while ago. And I super loved this mascara. This is what it looks like. This stuff is amazing. It volumizes your lashes. It makes them full and lengthened. It just gives you everything that you could possibly need with this mascara. So I'm super excited that I got this in this month. So the next thing that I see is by the brand Pharmacy. It's by the brand Pharmacy. This is the Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. Now I also got a small sample of a moisturizer that I got from the brand Pharmacy, and oh my gosh, I was blown away. Have I went to go get that moisturizer? No. Will I someday? Yes. It's on my to-do list. If not, it's on my bucket list. But this right here, this big thing, cost $22. So let me open it up. It has a little protecting thing. Love it already. And this is what it looks like. So yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just put liquid lipstick on my hand. Let's see how it works. Oh wow, instantly removing. Oh yes, I'm gonna love this stuff. Look at that. Instantly gone. Cool. I don't have anything to wipe my hands with. Loving this stuff. Okay, so last but very not least is this. This is by the brand Pure the Complexion Authority. This is the Midnight Masquerade palette. So this has about 6 eyeshadows, looks like 2 blushes, and I believe 2 highlighters. So let me open this up. Oh no, wait, one looks like a bronzer, or is it? No, it looks like 2 blushes, a really dark, very plummy type of blush, and this is more of a pinky shade, like a pinky peach. There's like 1 highlight, and this looks like a bronzer, but it has shimmer in it. So let me go ahead and swatch this for you. So this is what it looks like. These are the swatches. I did these with my fingers. So that's what they look like if you were to apply them on. And then on the other side, you get about 6 eyeshadows swatches. So looks like in this palette, you only get 1 matte shade, which is Sneak Peek, which is this shade right here. That is a dark chocolate brown. Everything else in this palette is shimmery, especially the blushes, the bronzer, and of course the highlight has shimmer in them. And I don't really know how I feel about that, because I don't always feel like I want shimmer. And in fact, I wish there was a little bit more of a variety in these shades. I wish we got a little bit more matte, but let's just try all this on and let's see what I come up with. Okay, so the amount for the box of this month is about $134. So that's a lot of money, and you only pay $21 a month for this subscription. So let me just talk a little bit about what was my favorite and what was not my favorite. So what was my favorite was obviously the mascara. I really love the mascara. As you can see, my lashes are lengthened, volumized. They're just fluttery. I love it. And this is also my favorite. I haven't tried it yet, but I already know this is going to be great because I've tried one other product before from Pharmacy. This is going to be really cool. I didn't try it out here on my channel only because I have somewhere to be in a little bit and I don't really have the time to try it right now. But I like the idea of it. I think it's pretty cool. This was kind of my favorite, but again, it's not really exciting to me because I already have so many pinks like this. I feel like I keep getting the same type of color pink within this subscription, and I really feel like they should try to, I don't know, maybe give me a different type of shade. I think I would feel a little more excited if I had gotten a different shade, because it just seems like I just keep getting the same type of pink. I mean, it's a beautiful pink, but I mean, I don't know how many other pinks that look more or less the same. The one that I wasn't that excited for was this. This wasn't a complete disappointment, but this to me just didn't wow me. Everything in here has shimmer, including the eyeshadows except for one shade. That doesn't wow me. Even though these shades are beautiful, I feel like I've seen these shades about 1,000,000 times over. I've received different palettes with Boxycharm, and I feel like I've gotten majority of these, eye shades, and I feel like I didn't necessarily need this palette to create this look because I could have did that with any other palette that I had. So with that said, this is not my favorite. I mean, it's beautiful and I love this masquerade. It's very lovely, but it just doesn't excite me. I look at it and I'm not excited. So I really hope that maybe next month's box will be a little more exciting. So overall, this is the end of my video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and bye!